Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a failure to load custom DLL from the list error code 126. Let's fix it guys. If you are using any third-party antivirus software, then you just need to uninstall it and then go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select protection history and thread coordinated. Click on this and select yes. This is where we downloaded. Select the action tab and select restore option and select yes. And again for this as well, select the action and select restore option. And now you can able to see the setup file. Just double click to install it. After getting installation done, the default location is saved to local disk C and games folder, and this is the one that has been saved. Now whenever you open this file you get the error. As you can see, failed to load custom DLL from the list error code 225. Click on OK. Now to fix this, just need to go to search menu and type security. Comes up Windows Security. Click on open it, and on left side select the protection history. And here you can able to see thread coordinated. Click on it and select yes. Click on action and select the restore option and select yes. And now make sure every thread has been restored over here, and now you can open the game, and now the game open up without having any problem. As you can see, the games open up without having any problem. Select the quit option, and now go back to Windows Security and select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings, and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select as select add an exclusion and select the file. And now you just need to navigate to the local disk C games, and now the game folder, and select the schedule one and select open option, and now it has been added to execution guys. Now you can play the game without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.